gave around the mileage around like. So hello to people, today we have this new Honda Shine 125 BS6 model with us. So there are two variants in this. One is the disc variant, another one is the normal drum variant. Today we'll be looking at the three things of this bike. First we'll be doing the short city ride mileage test inside the city, and next we'll be looking at the specifications of this bike, and third we'll be doing the acceleration test and the mileage, the braking test inside the city. 1 liter of petrol with me, and this bike is completely empty now, so that I'll be filling this bike with this 1 liter of petrol, and we'll be checking out the exact mileage, how much it will be giving inside the city. So where it stops we'll get to know that exact mileage, how much it will be giving. So I have filled this bike with 1 liter of petrol. Okay, now I have filled this bike with 1 liter of petrol completely, and it doesn't show actually the fuel because I have filled like 1 liter, so the point doesn't go up. If you fill the 2 liters, the point will go up for one point at least. Okay, now we'll ride this bike inside the city and I'll be showing you how it performs. Okay, they have introduced the silent start system in this bike. Acceleration is very good and very smooth also. You don't feel much of power lag when you pull out the throttle. So the power outcome is actually good in this. When you just accelerate the bike, you can just feel the power. It's actually good. And the exhaust sound and the engine is so smooth. You don't feel any sort of vibrations or anything. It's so smooth. Specifications of this bike. First I'll be telling you the difference between the BS4 and the BS6. In the BS4 you used to get the 4-speed gear transmission, but in the BS6 you will be getting the 5-speed transmission gear. That you can see, this is the 5-speed transmission gear. One is down and remaining all over the up, so that is actually a good option. And second update is that you'll be getting this silent kill start. So when this on this switch, you don't feel any sort of starting sound. When you accelerate this bike, you'll be feeling that the bike has been started. So that is actually pretty good. And you'll be seeing this high beam. When you move this button to the up, you'll get the high beam, and when you move this button to down, you'll see the high beam. When you click this button for continuously, and this is a pass light, so that has been actually good. And the fuel tank cap has been completely changed. That is also a good update. And this has been updated to fuel injection engine. The company has said that it gives more 14% of mileage compared to BS4 because of the fuel injection engine, and they have been used the catalytic converter, which converts the BS4 norms to the BS6 norms and leave it to the exhaust. And the tail light has been completely changed. You can see the design, previous design you won't be seeing this, but in the BS6 you can see the tail light has been completely changed. And weight has been reduced from 125 to 115 kg in this BS6, so that you feel more comfortable to ride, and there will be a more lot of mileage. And the next update is that in the front you will be getting, if you going for the drum variant, you will be getting the 140mm drum variant, and disc you will be getting the 240mm disc variant, and rear you will be getting the drum only in the disc variant also, but in front you will be getting the disc. And other thing is that the headlight will be on always because of the AOH feature that has been introduced in the India. So now I'll be telling you the back suspension. The suspension has been not increased in the front. You will be getting the telescopic suspension only, that gives more comfortable to ride. And this is a 5-step adjustable rear shock absorber. That is actually good. And we'll check out the exhaust sound. So the exhaust sound is pretty good actually. You don't feel much of aggressiveness like old model. In BS6 model the exhaust is so smooth, and you feel that smoothing sound in your ears. That is so smooth actually, it's good. So now we'll check out the mileage inside the city. Before that I'll tell you about the height and all, and the seat comfortability. So the seat comfortable is actually really good. You don't feel much of stress. It's like cushion type. The seat is actually good, and the pillion seat is actually good, and the seat length is also too long, so that it will be more comfortable, and it will be very useful for the family people also. It's actually good, and handlebar is placed in the right position so that you feel the exact comfort, and there will be there won't be any stress while riding. You can feel the exact comfortness also when you're riding in the city as well as in the highways also. So my height is like around 5'10", so you can see my legs are completely down. So it's actually good. From height of 5'3" to 6'1", this bike will be very comfortable and very suitable to ride also. So that is actually good, and the paint quality is also really good. You feel that premium paint quality look when you touch that, or when you look around, you will feel that shining and premium quality look. And the foot pegs are also of real nice quality. It's of pure nice metal also, foot pegs. Okay, now we'll ride this bike for inside the city, and we'll checking the acceleration, braking and mileage test. Okay, the gearing pattern is like when you put down it goes for neutral. Actually, I'm sorry for that. When you put down it goes for neutral. So remaining all the gears are like up only. For neutral you need to put down. Okay, now I'll be doing the braking and acceleration. First I'll be showing you the acceleration. Okay, now it's in neutral. I'll put it to first gear. The braking is really good in this. You can see I just press this brake and the bike stops immediately where you need to stop. It's actually pretty good, the braking. I feel that braking has been upgraded. I feel that really good. And you saw the acceleration, right? It was really good. When you just pull the torque, it just pulls the bike front. So the acceleration is also really good. You don't feel much of power lag in this. This bike is actually good, but in that you will be getting many features. There is a feature lag in there, but actually it's very good to ride also. The tire size is very low in SP125, but in this Shine, the tire size is very big actually. Turning also you don't feel much of weight falling to your right side. While turning also it's very good. love this bike, man. It's very smooth and very easy to ride also. For daily commuting it's really good. The bike is lagging. I feel the petrol has become low, I guess. It has been completely stopped now. So this bike gave around the mileage around like 67 km per liter. That is actually a good mileage inside the city, because for daily commuting like college or the office, you need this kind of mileage, because the petrol prices have also been increasing, so we need this much of mileage. Due to updation of fuel injection engine, the mileage has been giving this much. In previous BS4 version you used to get around 55 to 57, but in updation or due to updation of fuel injection you will be getting this mileage. It's actually good for it's actually very comfortable also, and it has great mileage and very more power also. So if you're buying this bike, go for the disc variant, I would suggest, because the braking performance is really good in the disc variant, and this color is actually good. So I'll be there are 4 colors in this. I'll be telling you all the I'll be showing you all the colors in the next, and I'll be updating the details also later. So if you're going for this bike, go for the disc variant. So if you all like this video, do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon. So see you all in the next vlog. Until then, bye. For test rides you can contact the Prime Honda Vijayanagar or Nagarbavi branch, Bangalore. So the price details for Shine is that it cost us 69,990 ex showroom price, and on road price is 85,546 for drum variant, and for disc variant it will cost around 74,690 ex showroom price and 90,926 for disc variant. So you can see this is the blue color in the Honda Shine. This is how the blue actually looks good. Blue is also looking good actually. So this is the black color, and this is the grey color which I took the test ride, and this one is the red color. Actually all the colors are really good. It's very confusion to take which color. This is actually pretty shiny.